investment in the blue economy.
Moko kuom jopuonj e kaonti ma Migori dwaro mondo piny owacho obii kod chenro mar somb jopuonjre mawuok e kuonde dak manweng'o ji ni piny e kaonti ma Migori ma oting'o kar dak ma Oruba, Pandpieri, Apida koda mamoko. Jopuonjgo kawo telnegi kod Charles Odhiambo Ng'ondo mapuonjo e sikund primar ma Migori Muslim wacho ni jopuonjre mathoth mawuok e kuonde dak ma nweng'o ji ni piny ok osebedo ka dhi nyime kod sombgi tok timo penj mar klas aboro.
Some teachers have been helping me with their money to pay the school fees and providing me with food when I am at school. In any case, I get any good Samaritan to assist me, I would be happy because I'd be able to join Form 1.
I don't have any parent except my grandmother. My mom got lost in 2013 and my grandmother only sells tomatoes in the streets. She can't get school fees for me to go to Mbita High School or Form 1, to join Form 1. I was just asking for help from any foundation to just help me to just join Form 1.
We have our 2 pupils who sat for the exams and scored very sterling marks. Namely Michelle Anyango and Edwin Stanley Otieno. Anyango scored 379 marks. Stanley scored 374 marks. The 2 are highly in need of assistance because all along their schooling system, assistance they've been getting from that school community, particularly the teachers. Willing Kenyan who would come out to help them would be grateful as a school.
Ya kwa mgojo ngada na diye yue ma adundo neno ka ote